Alright, you diddle, here we go for the flip. Oh yeah. Nice and golden. It's gonna be such a mess, but you know, it's gonna be good. And I've already got the 2 potatoes peeled and stabbed liberally. I'm gonna go put those in Chef Mike, and since they're kind of big, like this big, I'm gonna put it on for I don't know, 8 minutes, and at 4 minutes go ahead and flip them, and then afterwards it should be squeezed. As soon as you squeeze it, should be you know, burnt or like squishy. And then probably do some veg too. So I'll keep you updated on what everything looks like. And yeah, stay tuned, like, subscribe, and share me around. This is Brownie Bites, the cooking show. Gotta love it.